enough of studying physics for one day. Let's see what's on TV.
You're watching APN, the All Physics Network, bringing you the finest in relativistically covariant entertainment.
If you're just joining us, we're at the tail end of the most astounding game of hockey we've ever reported on, between the experimental alpha males and the theoretical psi-cos.
Yes, I've never seen scores like this.
And it has been a tough fight. The experimentalists have largely dominated the ice, but the theorists clearly have a better understanding of Lagrangian mechanics and rotating reference frames. It's fair to say it's still anyone's game.
But look, something's going on.
Battle against the alpha males. Bear to conserve baryon number.
Let's look at that up close.
So that will be a penalty shot for the psi-cos. It's Nobel laureate Tony Leggett versus noted high-energy experimentalist John Thaler. You can just see the determination on their faces.
Score for the psi-cos.
You know, Kevin, with these guys, as much preparation happens off the ice as on it. We caught a glimpse of the pre-game pep talks for the two teams.
Now, first of all, I'm very proud of you. You guys beat the Eagles team last week. That's a very great accomplishment. But this week, it's going to be hold the ball game. Well, I guess a puck game. Now, look, you're going to be in a lot of pressure. It can get hot out there, but we want to stay in this part of the phase diagram. Hey, where's Phil Phillips?
I thought I saw him scurrying to the bathroom. He's still trying to fill his State of Illinois mandatory ethics training.
Oh, okay, we'll fill him in once he gets here, okay? Now look, next night, the game's going to be hard. We're going to need all those operator algebra techniques you've been practicing all week. So let's go.
Yeah!
You've got to get ready for the game today, and you want to win.
The alpha males aren't going to let a bunch of theorists overtake us.
Most important, did you complete your State of Illinois ethics training?
Yes.
Well, fairness is our #1 priority.
What about the State of Illinois mandatory health and safety training?
This is hockey. If you wanted safety, you should have been a theorist. Not that it's going to be safe for the theorists today. But be careful. These guys are tricky. They may not be fast, they may not be strong or aggressive, they may not even know how to skate, but they do have a Nobel laureate. Now, I've been studying the mechanics of skating for quite some time. Make sure all of you conserve your energy, and particularly conserve your angular momentum. Now, I have a diagram here of our secret play. This is one of us who gets the puck here and drives towards the goal. And if one of the theorists gets in our way, what do?
Annihilate him!
And it's another score for the alpha males. But wait! The psi-cos are using their one remaining time reversal operator to undo that previous score. Who ever thought hockey would come to this? Here's our science correspondent, Matt Sullen, to explain what just happened.
Hi, I'm Matt Sullen. Most of you probably remember me from the end of the award-winning video 240, but today I'm here to talk about time reversal operation. In fact, the one that you just saw in the quantum hockey game. So time reversal simply means that if I play a movie backwards, physics looks more or less the same. Another very important symmetry in physics is CPT. That is when we combine the time reversal operation with the parity operation and the charge conjugation operation. And next we're going to see the effect that this has in ice skating.
Here we see our skater doing a spin at the University of Illinois ice arena. Notice that viewed from above, he went counterclockwise. If we apply our time reversal operation to this, we see that his rotation sense is reversed, but the physics still looks very believable. Applying the parity operation, which is like looking through a mirror, we see that the sense of the rotation again is reversed. And if we combine both time reversal and parity, we see the rotational sense is now the same as it was before. The effect of charge conjugation is very interesting. And when we combine charge conjugation, parity, and time reversal, we see that the symmetry has been completely restored.
We'll be right back after a brief word from our sponsor.
You shall not pass. You shall not pass. Fly, you fool!
Too scary.
You shall not pass.
Been there, done that.
I'm Gary Gladding.
And I'm Kevin Pitts.
And we're watching an amazing game of quantum hockey, pitting the undefeated alpha males against the underdog psi-cos. It's been an unbelievable game so far, and somehow the psi-cos have managed to keep the score tied despite the devastating drives of the alpha males. And remember, after the game, it's the 20th annual Illini Physics Faculty Follies. You'll be amazed at what some of these otherwise completely uncoordinated physics professors can do on the ice.
Oh, seems like a fight's going on. Let's take a look.
There's no way that was a fair shot. You deliberately put the puck into a macroscopic superposition. I had no way of telling which side the puck was going to go on.
Philip, you're looking at it from the wrong perspective. The puck was never in two places at once. It's just that the universe split into two branches, and you happen to be in the branch where the puck went into the net. It was perfectly legal.
Ha! This proves that the many worlds interpretation is just a sham. Okay, if I'd seen the puck on the other side in an alternate branch of the universe, why wouldn't I have simply blocked on that side?
What do you mean? It's your alternate reality. Maybe no matter what branch you're in, you missed the puck because you're slow.
No. Ha! Okay, that just shows that many world stuff, it's just a sham. It's just a sham. Just like boom.
Wow, I think he actually drew blood.
Yeah, that's typical psychotic behavior. Let's see what started this. Here's the replay in slow motion. We've actually added a new feature, Puck Cam, so we can look at that more closely.
Wow, this new technology is amazing. You can actually see the point where the puck enters a quantum superposition. I wonder how the referee will call it.
Foul against the alpha males. Illegal use of a superposition state. Penalty shot to the psi-cos.
So, with only 10 seconds left on the clock, it all comes down to this foul shot. You can bet that Thaler won't fall for that Higgs boson trick again.
The tension in the air is almost measurable. It all comes down to this shot.
He scores! Unbelievable! Leggett takes it for the psi-cos.
Rubbish!
We are talking to Professor Brian DeMarco, scientific head of the project. Professor DeMarco, tell us how you came up with the idea.
Well, I was watching the fair and balanced reporting on Fox News. I realized finally I had it all wrong. My whole career I've been using ultra-cold atomic gases to simulate condensed matter physics, and I should have been using ultra-cold condensed matter physicists to simulate atomic gases.
There you have it. Let's take a look.
It was the heat of the moment, telling me what my heart meant. The heat of the moment.
Could anything possibly be more stupid?
You're as cold as ice.
Crap.
You're watching APN, the All Physics Network.
And coming up next, it's the 20th Annual Illini Physics Faculty Follies. You'll be amazed at what some of these otherwise completely uncoordinated physics professors can do on the ice. And later tonight, the All Physics Network becomes the Adult Physics Network, starting with Red Shoes Lab Notebook. Tonight, Strong Coupling Makes Me Superfluid. After that, it's Fox States, Talk Dirty to Me, and then a hot documentary, Enhancing Stimulated Emission by Tight Confinement.
Ugh.
You're watching Paul and the Multicolor Bow Tie.
Didn't know that I was going down. Where I've been, well, it's all a blur. What I was looking for, I'm not sure. And then I crashed into you.
Jesus, why can't I skate like Philip Phillips? What is his secret? And what can I do? Isn't there someone who can help me? Who are you?
Why, I'm your physics fairy. There's more to Philip Phillips than meets the eye. All you need is a little light and a little motion. Now let's see what you can do.
Thanks, physics fairy.
Real men play hockey.
So you think you can integrate will not be seen tonight, so that we may bring you this APN special, Physics Follies, Physicists on Ice.
Physicists on ice, that can be arranged. Ha ha ha.
Too violent.
You're watching Zombie Apocalypse, Night of the Living Laureates.
Does anyone know where I can find some brains? Brains. Brains.
I just saw that last week.
Hi, Matt Sellen here, your Y-Ice guy, to discuss this simulation of Big Bang cosmology. As you can see, before the Big Bang, the universe really wasn't much to look at. Immediately after the Big Bang, there was an epoch of very, very rapid expansion. As the universe continued to expand, atoms were formed, stars were formed, stars clustered together, galaxies were formed, clusters of galaxies. We recently discovered the expansion of the universe is itself accelerating. This is due to dark energy, and we can see dark energy here causing the expansion of the universe to actually speed up.
You don't get that on Big Bang Theory.
Hi, Matt Sellen here again, this time to talk about matter falling into a black hole. Here we see a black hole in the center of the ice, surrounded by a blue line representing the event horizon. Matter is drawn into the black hole, spiraling as it does so inside the event horizon, becoming invisible to us here on the outside, being crunched ever tighter into the center.
That guy needs a real job.
This special news bulletin just in. World-renowned theoretical physicist and 14-time Olympic speed skating champion Philip Phillips is being stripped of all his gold medals after it was discovered that he took performance-enhancing tachyon-infused drugs to give him super speed.
I have reviewed the evidence, and I agree with the Quantum Hockey League's findings. The evidence is irrefutable. It's a shame that someone as revered and respected as Professor Philip Phillips has come to this. He should have known that any sort of doping, particularly drugs containing tachyons, is against the State of Illinois Ethics Code.
We're about to see Philip Phillips just moments after the announcement that he's under investigation for taking performance-enhancing drugs. Phillips rose to fame over the last decade for his amazing speed skating performances in the last 3 Olympics, gaining him the title the world's fastest man. Now, it appears there is irrefutable evidence proving that he used tachyon-infused supplements to enhance his performance. Obviously a violation of the Quantum Hockey League rules, as well as the State of Illinois mandatory ethic guidelines. Here he comes now. Professor Phillips, do you have any comments about the tachyonic doping allegations being made against you?
It's very simple. As long as I live, I will always deny that I've ever used performance-enhancing drugs. I'm just faster than everyone.
I guess in looking at a typical race of his, we probably should have seen that coming.
Really? Unterbrechen die Sendung für die folgende aktuelle Nachricht. Das Olympische Komitee hat dem weltbekannten theoretischen Physiker und 14-fachen olympischen Goldmedaillengewinner im Eisschnelllauf, Philipp, alle Goldmedaillen aberkannt, nachdem bekannt geworden war, dass dieser leistungssteigendere Tachyoninfusionen erhalten hat, seine Geschwindigkeit zu erhöhen.
오늘의 톱 뉴스입니다. 세계적인 물리학자이자 올림픽에서 스피드 스케이팅 금메달을 14번이나 딴 필립스 교수가 금메달 모두를 박탈당하게 됐다는 сообщение.
Ну а теперь наша самая главная новость. Всемирно известный физик, а также 14-кратный олимпийский чемпион Филлипс был лишен всех его наград после того, как он был увлечен в принятии допинга.
Really?
I'm just faster than everyone.
Really? There really isn't anything on worth watching.
I guess I should thank you, since you just saved the universe.
Well, if you want to be picky about it, I actually did just save every possible universe, and there are an infinite number of them, but who's counting?
So that's it. You're just going to leave.
Oh, I have to go save it again, or rather before. Well, it's really too complicated to explain to someone who exists in a single branch of reality. Don't worry, though. I'll be back. Or rather, I already was.
Wait, who are you?
Me? I'm the professor.
I've had enough of this. I'll just go back to doing physics.